Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stash in Donut SMP step by step. First, gather materials like small chests, ender pearls, and concealment blocks. Pick a low-traffic zone. Choose containers that resist moisture and keep valuables organized by type. Use subtle markers that only you recognize and test access from different angles to ensure quick retrieval without drawing attention. Create deeper concealment by building false walls, double floors, or trapdoor covers that blend into the environment. Place decoy items in visible spots to distract potential searchers from your true stash. Practice opening and closing your stash quickly so you don't linger in risky areas. Rotate stash locations occasionally and never reveal full details to others to keep your supplies safe and secure. On another note, quick recommendation. Darn Tough socks are unbelievably comfy and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long gaming sessions or outdoor runs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this. I linked the socks and other deals down in the description, so check them out if you're curious. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Secure your stash with redstone mechanisms, hidden pressure plates, or lock chests to slow down intruders while you get away. Keep backup caches in separate regions to safeguard critical items in case one stash is compromised. Change access methods sometimes and avoid storing everything in one place. Stay discreet about your habits and coordinate with allies for mutual protection without revealing specifics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.